Hey people, so we are at this place called Terrassen Cafe, and that's what I have this very cute story to narrate, that my little son here was able to find this place for us because I had pretty much given up hope. But this place is in Film Nagar, uh, and so that's what. And this is a pet friendly cafe, I think, because we've come here with our little. Hey people, so this is said to be the Sindhi chap. Ayush, I think it's made out of mushrooms. I want you to take the first bite and tell me how it tastes. This is a typically Sindhi dish. It's hot. Does it taste like non-veg?
Tastes like nothing, honestly. It's just something you chew.
Okay, so this is chap, Sindhi chap, and let's see. I'm also waiting to taste it. This is paneer, I think. Palak.
Just tastes like
Basically, but it's very spicy.